Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. Today I want to share with you an idea about free technology that most of you are not utilizing, and that is the power of video. In today's world, technology rules. People believe what they see and they rely upon those visuals to help them make decisions every day in life. We all know that not every customer who visits your dealership buys a car on the spot. Some want to think about it, some want to look at a few more cars, and some are just downright confused on what to do next. If you truly want to set yourself apart from other salespeople and help your customers make a final decision to buy from you after they leave your dealership, then send them a personalized video of the car after they leave your store. Within an hour or two, go out and make a short 60-second video presentation of the car the customer was looking at. Initially, thank them by name for stopping in, and then present the car to them. Next, post it on YouTube, of which for free you can set up your own YouTube channel, and then send the customer a text message with a link to the video. And be sure in your text to state that it is a YouTube link, as most will not have any problem playing the video on their phone. Do make sure that you set up the YouTube video on this site with all the information on the car, you, and your dealership. You see, YouTube is owned by Google. This way, if someone in your area puts in a Google search for that type of car, well, your YouTube video might show up on that Google search. This idea is not a one-time effort. What I mean is, if you do this for a couple of customers and do not see your desired results, it does not mean the idea is bad. This is a concept that over time will provide tremendous benefits, value, and ultimately more sales. Give it a try. I think you'll be extremely pleased. Good luck, everyone.